Hey guys, it is Charlotte and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Tuesday, which means we are going to be doing our money challenges. Now today we are going to be doing our 52-week challenge, our $5, our $10, and hopefully our 100 envelope, not 100 envelope, but our $100 in 30 days. Now I do have another challenge that I want to start. Well, Jared and I are going to start, and it does pertain to our first year of our marriage this coming up year in October. So we are planning our celebration of 1 year of marriage. And I was supposed to start this challenge like a couple of weeks ago, like the beginning of April, but I have confidence that Jared and I will save up. So if we get to it, then we will stuff that. But if not, I'm still going to tell y'all what it's all about at the end of the video. So like I said, we are going to be doing the 52-week challenge first. It's Jared week, so Jared did give me $60. And also I had 10, 20, 25, and 30. So I had $30 left. And these two 10s and these two 5s are going to go towards our $10 and our $5 challenge. Now, if I do need some money to break down the 20s and everything, I do have my yard sale money. So I do have a couple of 10s, 5s, and 1s for that. I do keep roughly a little bit of money just for whenever I go yard selling on Saturday, just to build up my eBay store. Now, if you don't know that I had a eBay store and that I am reselling, I will link my store down below. You don't have to buy anything. Y'all really don't. If y'all want to follow me and see in case something that I upload that triggers you, that triggers you to buy it, so be it. But I will link that down below as well. So we are going to be doing our 52-week challenge first. Now I have to erase, it's not 10 people, it's actually 11 people. Lisa Grateful Me, she actually commented today while I was at work. So thank goodness that I did not video. I video this on Sunday, and I was just really behind. I had a lot of stuff to do. My mom was in town and everything. So I decided that I'm going to video this on Monday when you are watching this on Tuesday. So we have 11 people that guessed the number. We're not going to be doing a giveaway this week. Hopefully next week we can, because we do get paid this Friday. So that's exciting. Maybe we can squeeze in a giveaway. And if y'all want to have a giveaway, make sure you comment your number down below, and hopefully you can get chosen. So we are going to do the 52-week first. And let's see, I'm hoping for a little number because I really do want to start the new challenge. So let's do this one. 35. It's not that, it's a pretty big number, which is good. It really is good. I really did want a small number, so we'll just see where we end up at next time. So we do have to break some money down. So we have 35. So I will have to do 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And get that $20 bill and put that back. So we have 20, 30, and 35. 20, 30, and 35, and set that aside for now. And let's see if anybody picked it. I see a 36, but no, so nobody picked it, which is fine because we're not doing a giveaway. Just make sure that you do comment your number for next week, because hopefully we'll have smaller numbers and then we can pull twos, because we are not pulling another number this week. So we're going to go ahead and color it in, and we are going to be doing, let's do orange. So orange, we're going to color in 35 real quick. And this is just very satisfying to me. If you're new to my channel, I do the 52-week challenge every single Tuesday. And I let my subscribers or my friends on here pick the number down below, and then we literally just pull out of my little snowflake box. And whatever number we pull, we color it in. A lot of people just go from 1 to 52. I've seen people do 52 down to 1. I've seen people, do the second half first and then the first half. it's whatever really makes you comfortable is how I look at it. So we have 20, 30, and 35. And we are going to count that real quick. 20, 10, 5. Let's see. We are on week 15 now. We pull number 35. And we're just going to add that up. We should hit another milestone. So plus 35 equals, oh, no, we're not. 562 plus 35 equals 597. Almost, you guys, almost. So next week we will hit a milestone. And that is Dobby barking again. So let's go ahead and count, and we are looking for 597. So 1, 2, 3, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, and 97. So 97, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So $597, and we are going to go ahead and put that back into our 52-week challenge envelope. We're going to skip a dollar challenge because we did complete that back in February. Now moving on to the $5 challenge. Let's see. We are doing the 2 5s. And we're going to go ahead and color that in. We're going to color in 2. So each one, which is pretty self-explanatory, each one is $5. And you can see it's $5. Now I did get this layout. It's a digital file. I got it off of Etsy from Digicraft. I think you can see it right there. Digicraft right there. So I got that off of Etsy. I got the 100 envelope challenge off of Natalie's envelopes. And then I also did, what else? Oh, and then the new one is actually going to be from Chris Budgets. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 85, 95. So $95 is how much we have right now. I'm going to put that back. And we are going to go ahead and do the $10 challenge. So the $10 challenge is a little bit slower. I have two $10, and we are going to go ahead and color that in, which I have no idea where my blue crayon went. There it is. So two $10. And the different colors just means a different week. So this was like week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each different color that are separated, I guess you can say, represents a different week. So $10. My goal is to complete this at least by June. But that requires me to get more $10 bills, which is really, really hard. And I do have a 20, yes, because I had to get change for my Mexico trip. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, and 30. So 130. And moving on to our next one. And let's see. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So 25, we could do, let's see. Actually, we're going to skip this one, and I'm going to introduce you guys to the new challenge that we're going to do. And that is from Chris Budgets, and it is our Disney Savings Challenge. So it's $3,000. So each Mickey and Minnie Mouse is $50. Now, that's a lot $3,000 is a lot, but I feel like that we could save. Now, I only have $25 for this challenge right now, so half of it is just going to be colored. So I feel like that I can get all the minis filled and Jared will do all the Mickeys. So then that way we can split it up. So it's the Disney Savings Challenge for $3,000. And this is for Jared and I in October when we take our 1-year anniversary. We want to spend the whole week in Disney just by ourselves. The past times that we have been, I've been 3 times now. And Jared and I have been together for 8 years, and we've only been to Disney with our friends and everything just once. And I've been 3 times throughout our relationship. So this Disney trip is for our 1-year wedding anniversary, and also, you know, just to go on a trip by ourselves. Do not invite any family, no friends or anything, because we're just those kind of people that will invite anybody to come with us. So this is strictly just for us, and we are super excited. I'm super excited about going back to Disney again. I went last year and it was super fun for my bachelorette party. And Jared has been itching to go back. So we are going to start doing this challenge, and each one is $50. So I'm just going to color in half, which means that I am only putting $25 in here, which is fine. I think it's great. Like, as long as it's something, then I will be fine with it. And I don't like this color, but it will be fine. All right, so there it is. I am coloring half of it, and that's it. So hopefully next week or this coming up Friday, whenever I get paid, we can color it again. Hopefully Jared will give me another $50 so he can start putting in his money. Now, I don't have an envelope right now. We could do it. We're going to do it in here, and we're just going to keep it in here. Or I could put it in vacation because I don't have anything in vacation. Let's see. I don't think I have anything. Oh, I do have stuff in vacation. I could take this out. I'm just going to start fresh. I'm going to take that out. We're going to put $25 in vacation. And that is going to be our Disney challenge. I do have a envelope, and Chris Budgets did give me the Saving Challenges envelope, so I'll probably end up doing that, which is going to be super fun. I was going to have to get some glue or tape or something, so let's just do that, and then I'm just going to put this back in here. And that is it, you guys. So that was a lot of stuffing that we did today. So we did the new Disney challenge. We put $25 towards our $3,000 goal. The 100 challenge, we didn't do anything this week, which is fine. The $10 challenge, we did 2 $10 bills, increased it to $20. $5, we put 2 $5 bills, which increased it to $10 more. And then the 52-week challenge, we did pick up a $35, or we pulled $35, which making it to $597. So that is it, you guys. So thank you again for coming along with me, for hanging out with me on Tuesdays. I really do appreciate it. Thank you to everybody who commented a number. Now, if you want to be on the next one and possibly a giveaway, please comment a number down below. There has been a couple of people that, you know, just comment and, you know, they're like, oh, good job, which is totally fine. Like Donna Jo, she always says, congratulations to the winner, you're killing it, and all that stuff. I love her, which go check her out too. But anyway, so yeah, if you want to participate, I would absolutely love for you guys to, you know, pull a number and start saving, because it's never too late or too early to start saving for something that you really, really, really want. But anyways, I love you guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye.